Now next third problem. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? Here given that sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Now sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into cos 30 value also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60 also 1 by 2. Now root 3 into root 3 whole square, that is nothing but 3 by 2 to the 4 plus 1 into 1 by 4. Here 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 are like fractions, so add numerators. 3 plus 1 4 by 4, 4 1 the 4 1 the, that equal to 1. Next sin 60 degree plus 30 degree, that equals to sin 90 degree. So what is the value of sin 90? 1. Therefore sin 60 cos 30 degree plus sin 30 cos 60 equals to sin 60 degree plus 30 degree. So this value, so this is the conclusion, 1 equal to 1. So this is the problem. Now fourth problem. Is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 equals to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Now here LHS cos 60 degree plus 30 degree, that equal to cos 90 degree. The value of cos 90 is 0. Here RHS cos 60 degree cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree. So now substitute the values here. Cos 60 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Next root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Next plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 will be cancelled. So that equal to 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So the given statement is right. Next fifth problem. in right angled triangle PQR, right angle is at Q, PQ is 6 centimeter and angle PRPQ equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. Solution. First you have to draw the right angle triangle. Already the name of the triangle given, P, Q and R. This is the triangle. At Q, right angle. This is right angle. And another PQ also given. This 6 centimeter given. Now RPQ equal to 60 degrees. RPQ, this is 60 degrees given. Now find the length of QR and PR. Here first in this one, take tan ratio to this angle. Tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent, means QR by PQ. Now what is the value of tan 60? Is root 3 equals to QR by PQ, 6 centimeter. From this QR equal to 6 root 3. This is 6 root 3 given. Now what is PR? Now according to Pythagoras theorem, PR equals to under root of PQ whole square plus QR whole square. Now substitute these values in this above equation. PQ square means 6 whole square plus QR 6 root 3 whole square. Now PR equals to under root of 6 the 36 plus 6 root 3 whole square. Here 6 root 3 whole square is nothing but 6 square into root 3 whole square. 2 and root will be cancelled. 36 into 3. See 36 into 3, 6 3 18, this one. 3 9 plus 1 10, 108. Plus 108. Now PR equals to under root of and 36 plus 36 4. Here 144. So PR equals to square root of 144 is 12. So this is the 12. Now PR is 12 centimeter. Now again ask here what is the length of QR and PR. Therefore QR equals to 6 root 3 and PR equals to 12 centimeter. Here also of centimeter. So this is the fifth problem. Right. Next, sixth problem. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y, YZ equal to X and XZ equal to 2X. Then determine angle YXZ and angle YZX. Angle X and angle Y. Now draw a right angle triangle XYZ. XYZ. At Y, right angle given. Now YZ given. YZ. X. XZ also given. XZ 2X. From given from problem, XY not given. According to Pythagoras theorem, XY equals to under root of hypo square XZ whole square minus YZ whole square. YZ whole square. Now XY equals to under root of XZ 2x whole square minus x whole square. Next, xy equals to under root of 2x whole square means 4x square minus x square. Xy equals to under root of 4x square minus x square, 3x square. So that equals to root 3x. So this is the value of xy. Root 3x is the xy value. Now what is asked in the problem? Angle YXZ. Here YXZ, this asked. Now you have to take any ratio, you will get the angle, you will get x angle. Now take sine ratio to the given angle. Here sine x equals to, what is the ratio of sine? Opposite by hypotenuse. YZ opposite XZ hypotenuse. Now substitute the values of YZ and XZ. Sin x equal to x by 2x. X will be cancelled. Sin x equals to 1 by 2. So what is the value of x? For which angle sine ratio will be off? So therefore x equal to 30 degrees. If you take x 30, the value will be 1 by 2. Next, find yzx. Here next, z, you have to find out this z, y z x. So now take this z, Here again take sine ratio, you will get answer. Sine z equals to xy is the opposite of z. X y by xz. So now substitute the values of these two. Xy, what is xy here? Xy root 3x x divided by xz 2x. X will be cancelled. Sin z equals to root 3 by 2. So for what angle? The sine ratio will be root 3 by 2. Therefore z equal to 60 degrees. Here final from problem, angle yxz equals to, here this is 30 degrees, and angle yzx equals to 60 degrees. So this is the solution. Now seventh problem. Is it right to say that sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b? Justify answer. Now assume that a equal to 30 degrees and b equal to 60 degrees. Here a 30, b 60. Now substitute above angles in the given problem. Now write what is given in the problem. Sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. Now sin 30 degrees plus 60 degree equals to sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degrees. Now sin 90 equals to, here sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. Now sin 90 degrees equals to 1. That equals to sin 30 1 by 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Next, here 2 like fraction. Now add numerators. 1 plus root 3 by 2 1. So are they equal? No. So not equal to. Therefore sin a plus b is not equals to sin a plus sin b. So this is the solution.